Hey guys, coming up on today's episode, we got a huge announcement, a couple of more things to fill you guys in on. Stay tuned, let's get it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button down here and go ahead and like the video. It does a lot for the channel and I really appreciate it. Hey guys, as I'm just sitting down to edit this video, excuse me, I totally slipped my mind as I was filming that I left you guys hanging on Bagging Kai's Porsche episode 3. Let me explain. There was an episode 4. The episode 4 happened about 3 in the morning. I mean, it was probably from about 10 p.m. to 4 in the morning, the following day of the day 3 video. And we were so stressed. I shot the whole day. We cannot find the footage. I have no idea what happened to it. We finished, an axle popped out, we had to shove it back in. Kai was thinking the transmission was screwed. It actually turned out to be fine. We put it back in. He had to get it serviced, so basically top off the fluid. Everything was fine though. And that's pretty much it, but it was so satisfying to see that thing air out for the first time. So I'm gonna go ahead. I have cell phone video footage from the first air outs and like when we were just absolutely beat at the end of the night. So don't judge us with how we look or how dirty we are or just our disgusted look on our face. But I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here now and then we'll continue the video. Hey yo, it's about 3:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and day 4, the Cayman is on here, and it's the lowest Cayman ever. Like it's oof. Trunk setup by your boy. Oh my gosh. Oof. Gosh dang, that thing is freaking low, boy. Go lower. Huh? It can go lower, yeah. Wow. Now, it's been about 3 weeks since I uploaded a video. Let me go ahead and give you all a Merry Christmas. Hope you had the greatest of holidays with you and yours. I did. My mom was able to come out here to Washington for the first time since we moved here. So it's been like 2.5 years since we saw her, so that was awesome. Had some good time with the family. Honestly, had a lot going on factory fiction wise, but I wasn't able to film a lot of it. A lot of stuff I'm gonna tell you about, some stuff I'm not gonna tell you about. But I really, even though I took that time off for the holidays, I really have been thinking about the channel and like I said, gosh, it's really hard to like decide what I can tell you guys, what I can't, but I want to basically pay you guys back for the 3 weeks that I did not upload and I kind of took a little break. I am gonna go ahead and do 3 videos this upcoming week. So I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on Friday, we're gonna make a big announcement. Not gonna tell you about it today, but you're gonna want to check it out. So a week from today, next Friday, huge announcement for the channel. A couple more updates. I think maybe Monday and Wednesday. I think we're probably gonna go ahead and maybe do some unboxing videos, which are always fun. I got some parts in for the Mini. I got more parts in for the Mini. We're gonna have to wait and see what the other announcement is. I did just get back probably half an hour ago. Went down to the painters. I know you guys want a Flex update. I also do. So basically we were trying to get somebody to make us a drift style tube bumper for the rear, because when we created the new bumper, the stock bumper bash guard, the big metal actual bumper that goes under your bumper cover, basically wouldn't fit with the new configuration with the new part that we grafted into the bumper. So basically we were gonna have that drift style bumper made to kind of as a solution for that, but still give it support. That guy ended up flaking on us for like months. So basically the car's been sitting there just like 90% finished and waiting. So basically I have the stock metal bumper, ran it down there today. Eric's gonna go ahead and just kind of mount it to the car and then hold up the bumper and just literally trim off what we don't need. And then I think he's gonna go ahead and shoot it in the bed liner just so it's rust free, because there was still actually a little surface rust from when, if you guys remember, if you've been with the channel since the beginning, you'll remember when it took me like forever to cut the tow hitch off, and then we were gonna end up not using it anyway. So we're gonna end up using that. I think he's actually gonna get started on that tonight, which is awesome. So hopefully the Flex will be back here at home, I'm gonna say in the next 2 weeks. Also stopped down at with Crafted. They said the Alcantara for the seats and the door panels will be in next week. So they're gonna call me with an update with that, but then they're gonna get going on the seats. Man, I'm so excited about that. So, other than that, what has been going on? So much. Like I said, we got parts for the Mini coming. I'm in talks about some other parts with some other people, so big things coming. I'm really sorry I took the 3-week break, you guys, but I'm telling you, I was working the whole time to make some moves to get you guys some killer content for the new year. I wanted to start the year with a bang, and we're just gonna roll straight through. So stay with the channel. Remember, uploads Monday, Wednesday, Friday next week, and then we'll go back to our regular scheduled program every Friday at 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So, as always, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you've made it to this point, thank you so much. Please comment Factory Fiction love. If you guys made it all the way to the end of the video, hit that thumbs up button. This is Mike at Factory Fiction. We will see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Peace.